Number 24. To number 20. To number 43. 45 pa lang. Steve number 17. Pass, big pass to number 24. Number 24. Foul. Number 16. First personal foul, first team foul. First shot, no good. Second and last shot. Connect. Number 9. Steven number 44. To number 17, Salazar. To number 24, outside. Alaska ball. Number 7. To number 16. Back to number 7, to number. No good. Rebound for number 20, Ibanez. To number 16. Looking for his teammate. To number 7, to number 9. At the 3. No good. Battle for the rebound. 1 point number 22. To number 17, Salazar. Now Salazar. Looking for his teammate. To number 28. Number 28, to number 22 at the 3. 1, 2, 3. Still the number 24. Traveling violation. Number 16, to number 7, Beltran. Looking for the other one. To number 9, number 3. No, 3 by number 17, Salazar. Salazar, still by number 9. Number 9 to number 20, to number 16. Number 17. To number 28. Number 28, hook shot, no good, rebound by number 7. To number 16. To number 9, to number 45. Using the glass, correct for 2. On still outside, Alaska ball.
Position na. Isa malaki. 5 na kami, 5. 5-2. Di ba naka-trade ro dalawa? Di ka nga sa trade ro kanina, isa lang. Tama lang. Bilis na mo na lumapit ka. Gusto ko talaga yung nakita mo na.
Di mo ba na
3 seconds to shoot. Number 3 to number 8 at the 3, no good. Outside. Alaska ball. Number 8 to number 3, Escribano looking for his teammate. To number 31, to number 2, take, shot, no good, rebound number. Number 15, to number 11, to number 33 using the glass, 24-2. Number 3, almost steal to number 14, Sablan at the 3. No good. Rebound by number 2. Shot. No good. Rebound by number 3. No good ulit. Number 33. Number 15 jump, no good. Rebound by number 31. Steal by number 11. Number 11. Long post to me, number 33. Number 33, slide, shot, no good. Rebound by number 3. Pass to number 31. Number 31. To number 14, Sablan. Number 14, to number 31, De La Cruz. Steal, ball was steal to number 14, to number 8, to number 31, 5 seconds to shoot, number 31, to number 2, foul, who's foul rep, number 11, first personal foul, second team foul. Palit 5 po, palit 5. May iwan po yung drawer. Number 2, perimeter shot. No good, rebound by number 2. Number 2, looking for his teammate. The number 04 at the 3. Connect to 3. Stop yung drawer. Number 13, number 4, number 16, back to number 13, number 3. Battle to the river, one more number 22. Low and post teammate, number 18. Still the number 10. To number 4. Perimeter shot, no good. Number 04, Mabuhay. To number 4, Sablan. Louis first teammate. To number 2. To number 18. Perimeter shot. No good. Rebound by number 30. Number 4. Payong-ayong. Number 43. Using the glass. Gonna go to. Number 21, De La Cruz. Looking for the open man. To number 22. Trevor. No good. Foul number 4. Sablan. First personal foul. First team foul. Outside. Number 04. Dribbling the ball. Number 04. To number 4. Sablan. Back to number 04. To number 18. Lose it. Pass to number 10. To number 4, Payong-ayong, using the glass, no good. Rebound by number 21, to number 22. To number 18, using the glass, no good. Rebound by number 30, to number 43. To number 4, foul. Number 21. Time out, Toyota. Number 2, Viper estimate number 43. Back to number 2, to number 30. At the 3. No good. Rebound by number 43. Shot. Connect for 2. Number 21, De La Cruz. UM first teammate. To number 22. To number 04, Mabuhay. Almost steal. Number 04. Shot. Connect for 2. Number 30. To number 10. Low for the open man. Number 10. Shot. No good. Pato to the rebound by number 10. To number 30. Bring the shot. No good. Rebound by number 21. De La Cruz. Now De La Cruz. To number 04, Mabuhay. To number 4, Sablan. Bring the shot. Connect for 2. Number 43. Slide, shot, foul. Who's foul up? Number 18. First personal foul, third team foul.
Sablay.
Connect. Number 04. Pushing his body outside. Same ball.
Mandatory yan.
Number 22 to number 4 to number 18 to number 04, Mabuhay at the 3. Uno, dos, tres. For another. Silver. Number 4 to number 10. Number 10. Connect for 2. Number 9. Almost steal. Back to number 9. Jump, no good. Rebound by number 31. Pass break pass number 28. Using the glass, no good. Rebound by number 24. Spin, shot, no good. Rebound by number 7. To number 9. Here comes number 9. No aim for estimate. Number 9 to number 45. Perimeter shot, no good. Rebound by number 3. To number 44. Now, number 44, to number 28. Number 28, to number 3, using his body, to number 31. Using the glass, connect for 2. Pass break pass, to number 7, Beltran. Easy 2 point. Number 31, to number 3. Number 3, guarding by number 9. Number 3, no aim for estimate. Number. Almost straight, 5 seconds to shoot. Perimeter shot. Good. Number 24. Same ball.
Ryan.
Number 31, De La Cruz. Looking for his teammate. To number 24. Number 24, using his body. Number 24. Good. Number 20. 2-1 situation. Still by number 31. Stop number 31. To number 28. Traveling violation. Number 9, Paul, guarded by number 28. Number 45, number 5, Manalo. 3 seconds, violation. Number 31 to number 28. Using the glass, gonna for 2. Number 45, Blanquesa, using the glass, no good, rebound by number 31. Now, number 31. Behind the back for number 3, using the glass, no good, rebound by number 20, pass break pass number, still by number 28. Now, number 28. Still by number 20, pass break pass number 45. Blanquesa, using the glass, connect for 2. Still by number 9, to number 45, perimeter shot. No good. Rebound by number 24. To number 3. Number 3. Speed, still by number 20. To number 9, Paul. Number 9, using the glass, connect for 2. Number 44, Garfield. Number 44, looking for his teammate. Number 44, harassing by number 9. Number 44, number 3. Outside, timeout. Toyota. Number 5, to number 9, Manalo. To number 7, Beltran, at the 3. No good, rebound by number 44. To number 31. Steal by number 7, Beltran. Low and first teammate, number 9. Number 9 na nasa by number 31. Number 9 to number 5, Manalo. To number 7. Almost steal. Outside. Toyota mo. Palit 5. Palit 5 po. Announcement. Number 14, Sablan, taking the ball, looking for his teammate. Number 14 to number 22, to number 17, Salazar at the 3. 1, 2, 3, para ay Salazar. Number 23, Gabi by number 8, number 23. Number 23, using glass, 24-2. May kasama pa ang foul. Bonus throw. Number 22. Swing number 15. Number 23. Number 3 by number 2. Pass to number 22. He got number 22. Looking for his teammate number 2. Number 2. Slide. Got number 3 by number 23. Pass to number 15. Number 15 to number 25. Using the glass. No good. Outside. Same ball. Number 15, shot. No good. Terima by number 2 to number 14, Sablan. Sablan. To number 17, Salazar at the 3. No good. Terima by number 25. Long boys teammate number 16, back to number 23. To number 22. Number 25, outside. 7 seconds to shoot. 7 seconds to shoot. Number 15. Almost close it. Still number 17. Salazar to number 14. Sablan. Using the glass, so good. Number 22. To number 25. Number. Still by Sablan. To number 8. Foul. 16. Second personal foul. Third team foul. Toyota ball. Sablan inbounding the ball. Low post teammate, number 17, Salazar. Miscommunication outside. Alaska ball. Two on the 3. 1, 2, 3. Number 14, Sablan. To number 17, Salazar. Back to number 17 on the 3. Number 3 over number 25, pass break pass to number 15. Number 15 to number 23 using the glass, no good. Steal by number 25, number 16. Number 8, number 3. No good. Rebound by number 22. Steal by number 17. Salazar at the 3. No good. Rebound by number 2. Number 2. Level teammate number 8. At the 3. 1, 2, 3. Palit 5 po. Palit 5. Palit 5. Number 10, looking for his teammate, the number 11 at the 3. No good. Rebound by number 3. To number 04, Mabuhay. Now number 04. To number 18. To number 21, using the last over, rebound by number 4. Rebound number 4. Looking for his teammate, number 4. Slide shot. No good. Rebound by number 43. To number 11, Javier. To number 10, number 3. No good. Outside. Toyota Mall. Number 04, Mabuhay at the 3. No good. Rebound by number 18. Back to number 4, Mabuhay using the glass. Connect for 2. No good. Rebound by number 43. Steal by number 04 and number 18. Number 18 to number 04. Fake, slide, shot, using the glass. Connect for 2. Number 11, Javier. Looking for the open one. To number 43, spin, using the glass. No good, but there's a whistle and a foul. Number 18. Second personal foul. Second team foul.
First shot na rin.
Number 18. Now number 18. Almost lose it to number 4, Sablan. To number 18. Still by number 11, Javier. To number 4, Payong-Ayong. Still by number 3. Outside. Toyota ball. Wow, 1, 2, 3. Number 10. Looking for his teammate number 11, Javier, back to number 10. To number 4, Payong-Ayong at the 3. 1, 2, 3. Number 3. Still by number 11, Javier, the number 43. To number 4. Using the glass, number 4-2. Number 04, Mabuhay. Number 04, ganting by number 4. Now number 04. At the 3. No good, rebound by number 04, number 18. No good, rebound by number 30, number 11. Number 11, Javier. Using the glass, no good, rebound by number 43. To number 4, shot, foul. Number 4. Second personal foul. Third team foul.
Nakamatanda eh. Inabot mo pa talaga? Eh, kung nasa tayo, pag-captain pa. Hindi, kaya nga pala eh. Pag-captain pa. Oh, di ba?
First shot, no good.
Buti na lang na, matanda. Wala mali. Basta nagpapala ka mo kakahabol ah. Kahabol ka lang, ipapal ka lang pa. Tangin eh, sorry lang.
Second shot, connect. Number 3. Shot, 24-2. Salazar looking for his teammate. Number 14. Back to number 17. Salazar at the 3. No good. Number 2. Mariano looking for his teammate. Number 9. To number 45. Perimeter shot. Connect for 2. Number 14. Sablan. To number 22. Back to number 14. To number 17, Salazar. To number 13, at the 3. Ayan, perimeter. Steve, to number 14. To number 24. To number 13. Connect for 2. Number 20 to number 7, Bertrand, back to number 20, perimeter shot, correct for 2. Number 14, Sablan, to Salazar, miscommunication, outside.
Symbol.
Number 7, Beltran, looking for his teammate. To number 9, Paul, at the 3. 1, 2, 3. Alaska ball, stepping on the line. Number 20, shot. No good. Remove by number 22 to number 17, Salazar. To number 14, Sablan. No good. Remove by Salazar. At the 3. No good. Rebound by number 20. To number 2, Mariano looking for his teammate. To number 7, Bertrand. To number 9, Paul at the 3. No good. Rebound by number 22. To number 14, Sablan. To number 17, Salazar, wide open 3. 1, 2, 3. Para ay Salazar. Number 7, Beltran. To number 20. To number 2. To number 7, Beltran, low embrace teammate. At the 3. No good, 3 more number 20. Number 45, using the glass, connect for 2. Number 17, Salazar at the 3. No good, rebound by number 2. To number 20, Ibanez, jump, connect for 2. Number 14, sablay na to 3. 1, 2, 3. Number 20. To number 2, Mariano jump. No good. 3-1 pa rin ang number 2, Mariano. Looking for his straight. To number 20, jump. Connect for 2. Number 30, Raposon, dribbling the ball. Number 30, looking for his teammate. Number 22, using the glass. Connect for 2. Palit 5. Alaska ball po. Number 33 to number 25. Back to number 33, Cagaral at the 3. No good. Rebound by number 31. To number 21, De La Cruz. Almost still De La Cruz using the glass. Connect for 2. Connect for 2. Number 22 to number 25. Number 23, almost losing. Number 23 using his body. To number 25. To number 5. To number 22, perimeter shot. Using the glass. Connect for 2. Number 2. Harassing the number 23. Foul. Who's fouled it? Number 33.
Ilan na yan? Tama lang yan.
Number 21. Harassing by number 5. Foul. Number 15. First personal foul, second team foul. Number 31, De La Cruz, slide, shot, no good, rebound by number 21 minute, using the glass, no good, rebound by number. Batting for the rebound, home by number 25, pass break, pass number. Number 28, still the number. Number 28, the number. Number 44. Shot, correct for 2. Still by number 31, De La Cruz. To number, using the glass, connect for 2 para number 28. Timeout! Alaska. Number 15, low end for his teammate. Number 33, using the glass, no good. Rebound by number 33. Foul. Who's fouled the ref? Number 2. Second personal foul. First team foul. First shot, no good. Number 31, foul. Number 22, first personal foul, third team foul. Number 2, Lloyd Bruce teammate, number 31, De La Cruz, 8 seconds to shoot. Number 2, shot, using the glass, no good, rebound by number. Number 25, number 23. Foul. Who's fouled the ref? Number 31. personal foul, second team foul.
Marvin.
2 for 2. Steve Evans, outside. Toyota ball. Number 28, almost goes with number 31, foul.
Ilan team foul na yun?
Number 33,
Warning.
number 33, second personal foul, warning for penalty.
Atake kayo, atake. Penalty na, kalaban.
Number 31, 8 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Number 34, to number 31. Shot clock violation. Number 15, to number 15, my first teammate, number 32, perimeter shot, no good. Number 25, number 33, no good. Ibaba number 31. Steal by number 22, to number 33. Number 33, to number 22, almost steal. Steal by number 21. Now number 31. Using the glass, cannot go through. Palit 5. Palit 5 po. Palit 5.
Naka-vlog ka, bro pa.
Number 11 at the 3. Rebound won by number 8. Rebound number 8, number 3, Escabano. Using the glass, gonna for 2. Number 4. Payong winning first teammate to number 10. Number 10. Looking for the open man. Number 10, side, using the glass, going for 2. Foul plus the basket. Number 4, Sablan. Third personal foul. Third team foul. Bonus shot. No good. Outside, Alaska ball. 14 seconds shot clock. 14 seconds to shoot. Number 11, Javier. Number 10, jump. No, rebound by number 4, Mabuhay. Isa Mabuhay. Mabuhay, number 3. Number 4, looking for the open man. Number 11, outside, Toyota ball. Number 8, number 3, looking for his teammate. Number 3, lagi ke number 10, number 04, Mabuhay. Number Outside. Alaska ball. Number 4, Payong-Ayong to number 10. To number 43. Shot number rebound by number 43. Using the glass, connect for 2. Number 04, Mabuhay, guarded by number 4. Mabuhay, looking for his teammate to number 3. Number 3. Almost visit number 3. Using the glass, connect for 2.
Walang foul!
Number 10, slide, shot, outside. Toyota ball.
Time out kami dalawa. Time out dalawa.
Number 3, to number 8, looking for his teammate, to number 18.
Kalas, kalas, kalas! Kita!
Number 18, to number 04, Mabuhay. Traveling violation. Number 4, Payong-Ayong. To number 11, Javier. Number 11, using his body shot. Connect for 2. Number 18. Number 18. Shot. Number 3 by number 11. Javier. Number 10. Now number 10. Losing the glass. Connect for 2. Timeout. Toyota. Number 04. Mabuhay. Number 3. Number 18. Shot number 3 by number 3. Connect for 2.
Nataga ka sa ilalim, walang foul!
Number 10, looking for his teammate. Number 10, slide, shot, foul. Number 3, penalty. Penalty, penalty. Number 3, first personal foul, penalty. Five seconds to shoot. Number 8 at the shoot. Number 4, number 10.
Oh, siya man. Siya pa rin naman.
Number 7, Beltran. Number 4. Back to Beltran, perimeter shot. No good, battle for the rebound, won by number 22 to number 23. To number 4, Payong-Ayong at the 3. No good, rebound by number 33, using his body. To number 7. To number 20. To number 22, to number 33. 5 seconds to shoot. Foul. Foul number 22.
Boss, mas mabigat ang foul. Mas mabigat.
Yan na. Number 33 to number 20, perimeter shot. No good, rebound by number 7, Beltran, using the glass, connect for 2. Number 14, Sablan. Looking for his teammate, number 30, Rapason, number 3. No good, rebound by number 4, pass, great pass, number 33. Number 33, using the glass, foul, blast the basket. Number 14, Sablan. First personal foul. Second team foul. Bonus throw. No good. Rebound by number 22 to number 30, Raposon. To number 24, to number 14, Sablan at the 3. 1, 2, 3. Connect for 2. Easy, 2 points. Outside, 2 Timeout, Toyota. Number 17, Salazar, low and praise teammate. Number 3. To number 14, Sablan at the 3. No good. Rebound by number 3, using his body. Shot. Connect for 2. Number 7, Beltran. Perimeter jump. No good. Rebound by number 22. To number 30, Raposon. Number 30. Stealing by number 4, Payong-Ayong. Foul. Number 30. First personal foul. Third team foul. Okay. Steal by number 22 to number 7, Beltran. To number 33. Using the glass. Connect for 2. Number 30, Raposon, dribbling the ball. To number 17, Salazar. To number 3, looking for his teammate, to number 17, Salazar at the 3. No good, rebound wrong by number 14, Sablan at the 3. No good, rebound by number 4, Payong-Ayong. Stop, Payong-Ayong. Using the glass, no good, rebound by number 14. Pass to number 3, Escribano. Using the glass, no good, rebound by number 7, Beltran. To number 20, Ibanez. Number 4. To number 22. And 33 at the 3, no good, rebound by number 22. To number 14, Sablan. To number 30, Raposon at the 3. No good. Outside. And last of all. Number 4 to number 10. Back to number 4 at the 3. No good, rebound won by number 10. To number 22, low first teammate. To number 43, 5 seconds to shoot. Traveling violation. Number 14, Sablan, guarded by number 4. To number 17, Salazar. Looking for his teammate. Shot at the 3. 1, 2, 3 para kay Salazar. Number 4, Payong-Ayong, looking for the open man. To number 43, no rebound by number 10. Number 10 shot, no rebound by number 43. Number 4, foul.
Rep.
First personal foul, warning for penalty. Number 31. Pass break pass number 04, Mabuhay. At the 3. And no good. Rebound number 9 to number 10. To number 43. Slide shot. No good. Rebound by number 3 to number 04, Mabuhay. To number 3. Almost missed it. Number 31 pa na. To number 04, Mabuhay. Number 22, using the glass to good rebound by number 10. Number 10. To number 33, spin, using the glass, going for 2. Spin, number 45, number 9. To number 10, using the glass, going for 2. Steve, number 45, to number 10. To number 45, shot. No good. Steve, number 3. Number 17, foul. Timeout, Toyota. Toyota, wala na po yung timeout. To the ball game. Toyota ball. Number 3, dribbling the ball. Number 2, number 3, using the glass, connect for 2. Number 10 to number 9 at the 3. 1, 2, 3. Number 2, guarding by number 9. Number 2, Weber still by number 45. Number 45, easy 2 points. Still by number 33. Number 33 to number 45. Shot. Connect for 2. Number 3. Using his body, using the glass. No way. Dribble by number 3. Take. Shot. No way. Dribble by number 43 to number 10. Number 10. Looking for his teammates. To number 9. Number 33, using his body, number 33. To number 10, jump, using glass, no good rebound by number 2. Number 2. To number 18, number 04, using the glass, no good, connect for 2. Number 9. To number 10. looking for his teammate, to number 33, to number 43. Number 33, 5 seconds to shoot. Number 3, Escribano. Using the glass, connect for 2. Sige. Number 10, looking for the open man. To number 25, to number 33, to number 43. To number 9, another 3. No good, rebound won by number 30, Raposon, to number 22. Passing pass to number 04, Mabuhay. Now Mabuhay, to number 3. Using the glass, connect for 2. Number 10. Harassing by number 30 to number 9. Number 43.
3 minutes pa yan, 2 minutes.
Number 10. To number 25. Using the glass logo, rebound by number 18. To number 2 to number 30. Raposon. Easy 2 point. Tingin mo. Kala ko pasok na eh. Number 9. Foul. Number 33. Number 33, third personal foul. Second team foul. Number 25 to number 43, looking for his teammate. To number 10, pressing the ball. 5 seconds to shoot. Perimeter shot, correct for 2. Number 14, Sablan. To number 30, Raposon. At the 3. No good, rebound by number 11. To number 9. Connect for 2. Timeout, Alaska. Both teams, wala na po kayo, timeout. Same ball. 10 seconds shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. At the 3. No good. Number 25. Outside. Toyota ball. Connect for 2. Low. Seconds na ba? 10 seconds to shoot. Use the glass, connect for 2.
May pahinga na ko.
Best player of the game, number 23, Tagaral. Lapit ko, pipicturean ni Beloy.
Alaska Aces.
95-81 final score.